Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to prepare an interim payment certificate. This is the kind of certificate that we use when we want to make payment, when we have a project you are doing, so you want to pay the contractor if you're the client, and it is according to the agreed mode of payment. So here we have the information that has been given, and we have the certificate that we are preparing is certificate number 4 for a contract sum of 5,500,000 Kenyan shillings. So the activities or the operations are mobilization and site clearance. In the BQ it is 600,000 shillings, and then the percentage completion is 100%. Excavation and earthworks, it is also allocated 600,000 and it is up to 100% completion. We have substructure works, which is allocated 1,200,000. It is up to 90% completion. We have walling, which is 800,000. The percentage completion is 30%. We have roofing, it is given 1 million Kenyan shillings and the percentage is 20. We have plumbing and drainage, which is allocated 750,000. The percentage completion is 50. We have external works, which is 950,000. The percentage completion is 40%. We have the materials on site, which is 650,000, and then we have the previous payment certificate, which is 1,200,000. So from this information, we can prepare an interim certificate number 4, to be able to know how much is due to be paid to the contractor. So let's straight go to the preparation of the certificate. So let's move to preparing the interim payment certificate. So we start by indicating the certificate number, the contract sum, and then we have the descriptions. So these are the items that we have on the BQ. This is the amount and this is the percentage completion. So to find the amount that is due for payment, it is the amount in the BQ times the percentage completion. So for mobilization and site clearing, we have 60,000 and it is up to 100% completion. So meaning the amount that is due for payment is 60,000 times 100%. That is 660,000. The second one is 600,000 and it is up to 100% completion, meaning we are going to pay the contractor 600,000 times 100%. That gives us 600,000. And then we have substructure works, which is 1,200,000. It is up to completion 90%. So it's 90% of 1.2 million, which gives us 1,080,000. Then we have walling. It is completion to 30%. So it's 30% times 800,000, which gives us 24,000. And then we have roofing. 20% times 1 million, which gives us 200,000. Then we have plumbing and drainage works, 50% times 750,000 gives us 375,000. And then we have external works, 40%, that is 40% times 950,000, which gives us 380,000. And then finally we have 650, which is in the BQ, but we were not given the percentage completion for materials on site. So we've said assume 80% are the materials that are on site, is the quantity of the materials on site. So 80% of 650,000, it gives us 520,000. So this is the amount that is due to be paid to the contractor. So now we find the total of the amount that is due to be paid. So we've seen the amount that is due for every item. So we find the total, which is 3,200,000 239,000, and then we less a retention fee. This is the amount that we are going to put aside just in case anything happens to the project. Maybe the contractor fails to finish the work, so we are going to retain 10%. 10% of the total gross value, which gives us 323,900 shillings. So if we subtract that from the total value, then we are left with 2,915,000 shillings. And then this is what we are to pay the contractor up to that percentage completion. But the contractor had been paid previous certificates, which was 1,200,000 shillings. 200,000 shillings. So when we subtract that, because now we are not going again to pay him the 1,200,000 shillings, because already we had paid that. When we subtract that, we are left with 1,715,100 shillings. So this is the amount that is due to be paid to the contractor for certificate number 4. So he's going to be paid 1,715,100 Kenyan shillings. So then we write the amounts in words. Maybe when you are preparing the certificate, somebody may mistaken the 5 or the numbers for another thing. It's good that you write them in words. So 1,715,100 shillings only. That is the amount due for certificate number 4. Thank you very much for your time. Kindly remember to subscribe, share, like, give us your comments so that we can know on what to improve on. Thank you very much for your time.